Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables systems to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. In simpler terms, it is about letting computers learn from data, rather than being told exactly what to do. Machine learning can be divided into three major categories. The first one is supervised learning. It involves learning from labeled data, where the model is trained on a data set with known outcomes. Examples of supervised learning include classification and regression tasks. The second type is unsupervised learning. It involves learning from unlabeled data, where the model finds patterns and relationships without predefined categories. Examples include clustering and dimensionality reduction. The third category is reinforcement learning. It involves learning through trial and error, where an agent learns to make decisions by interacting with an environment and receiving rewards or penalties. Machine learning works through a series of steps. First, relevant data for training is gathered and prepared during the data collection phase. Then, during model training, an algorithm learns patterns from this training data. The model's performance is then tested on new data through a process called validation. Finally, the trained model is used to make predictions in a phase called deployment. Machine learning has three core components. The first component is features, which are input variables or attributes that are used to make predictions. The second component is an algorithm, which is a mathematical model that learns patterns from training data. And the third component is the output, which represents the predictions or decisions made by the trained model. In machine learning, data is typically divided into two sets: training data and testing data. Training data, which usually comprises 70 to 80% of the dataset, is used to train the model. The model learns patterns from it, adjusting weights and parameters as it goes. Testing data, making up the remaining 20 to 30%, evaluates the model's performance. It remains unseen by the model during training and measures its accuracy. There are several common machine learning algorithms. One is linear regression, which predicts continuous numerical values based on input features by finding the best fitting line through data points. For example, house price prediction. Another algorithm is decision trees, which makes decisions by splitting data into branches based on feature values, creating a tree-like structure. For example, customer churn prediction. Neural networks process data through interconnected layers of artificial neurons to learn complex patterns and relationships, such as image recognition. K-means clustering groups similar data points together by finding clusters based on feature similarity, such as customer segmentation. Machine learning has numerous real-world applications. In healthcare, it is revolutionizing medical diagnosis and treatment through disease prediction, medical imaging, and drug discovery. In finance, it enhances financial services and security with fraud detection, risk assessment, and trading algorithms. Smart cities optimize urban infrastructure and services through traffic management, energy optimization, and waste management. Machine learning continues to evolve with advancing technology. It plays a crucial role in solving complex real-world problems and drives innovation across various industries. Continuous learning and adaptation is key to success in this ever-evolving field. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.